everyone, it's Laura. So today I'm going to share an update with my 50 Shades of Green project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab project and it was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece. And in this project we're working on 50 green items. So in my last update I was able to get up to 46 finished items. For me, I want to finish everything in this project. I'm still only at 46 items, so I still have 4 left in this project, and we only have 1 month left, so it's getting pretty close, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get all 50 done. There's definitely 2 I think I can get done. One of them is this hand cream from O'Keeffe's. I've pretty much used everything that was like in the top here, and there's only just this bit down the bottom, and every time I use it I have to like really squeeze it out. So I suspect this will be done for next update. The other thing I think I can finish is this cuticle remover. I could have had it done already, but I've really been falling off the bandwagon of doing my nails, so it hasn't gotten done, but there's like maybe 1 more use left in here. It's all stuck to the sides, but it's like, it feels empty, but I could probably get 1 more use out of that. So that will be done for next update, I believe. The last 2 things, I don't think I'll be able to do it. So I have this face mist from e.l.f., and based on how I've been going, I don't think that it's really possible for me to finish this, based on how much I've used per month in the past. So I'll still try. I'm still going to use it and we'll see, but I don't see that being finished. I also don't see this toner being finished. This is from Humphreys. It's a witch hazel toner. So I was up here, now I'm down here, but again, based on how much progress I've made in 1 month, it doesn't seem like this is going to get finished. But again, I'll keep using it, I'll try, and we'll see. But yeah, even if I don't finish these 2, that would be 48 items done, which is a lot. So, and it's my first time doing this project, so I think 48 is pretty good. But anyway, that's everything. I'll see you next time. Bye.